Tervitan teid Mustamäe elambusspaast, kus juba teist korda toimuvad Eesti saunameistrite Aufgussi meistrivõistlused. 3 päeval on siin kõik eestlased, kellel on huvi saanud näha 12 erinevat saunaetendust ja ka 3 sellist tiimietendust. Seda kõike hindab ja vaatab rahvusvaheline tõsine žürii. Ja žüriid on meil pärit nii Poolast, Taanist, Tšehhist kui ka Norrast. Danielle on selline eriline naine. Ma enne, hello.
Hi.
Quickly, I'm going to tell who you are.
Okay, perfect.
Danielle on eriline naine sellepärast, et üldsegi Aufgussi maailmas, saunamaailmas naised on väga haruldased. Tema on lausa žürii liige, aga mitte ainult. Danielle on eriline naine, sest ta iga päev tegeleb saunade ehitamisega ja tunneb absoluutselt igat kerist maailmas. Vot selline naine. So Danielle, you are on the board of judging Estonian Sauna Masters. So far, how have you liked it?
Oh, I love it.
You love it?
It's very good. It's very nice. Yeah, very different stories. So yeah, we're very exciting.
So what is it different about, for me, for example, Estonian people are so calm and so, like, not so show people. Yeah. And all of a sudden they're in a sauna doing shows. Was there some moments when you went like, wow, that I haven't seen yet?
Yeah, there are some moments when you see something new, especially when it comes to the towel tricks. And the combination of aromas, the music, storyline. Yeah, so there's always something new and people are very creative. And that's what makes show Aufguss especially very fun. So it's a new way of having fun in the sauna. So you can do both. You can have fun and you can relax. Yeah.
Daniel ütleb, et seal oli päris palju erinevaid momente. Kes veel ei tea, ma kiirelt ütlen, et Aufgussi sauna showde eripära on ju kõik need rätikutrikid, mida meie Eesti saunameistrid on harjutanud siin, ma ei tea, aasta aega iga päev ja ka loomulikult kõik need aroomi liigutamised selles sauna õhus ja ta ütleb, et seal oli väga palju sellist, mis talle ka silma jäi. Now, I know that the system is insane. The way you judge people, this is crazy. I've been here 2 years and I still don't understand anything when you guys talking about the details. Is there anything which you would say right away fails you?
Fails us?
Like in a show, when you go to do the show and this is a total fail, you are disqualified, this is not happening.
I've never disqualified anybody. I've never been in a position where that has happened because first of all, a show Aufguss is fun. We're there to enjoy and we're there to learn and get better. So I've never seen anyone being disqualified. I know it's happened worldwide, but you have to fail really badly. Fire, for example, or uncontrolled passage. But no, I haven't seen any uncontrolled issues. I haven't.
Ma küsisin, kas on midagi, mis su kohe siit diskvalifitseerib ära või et sa ei saa enam selles osaleda, ütleb, tema pole seda näinud, tema pole mitte kunagi kedagi diskvalifitseerinud. Loomulikult sellepärast, et inimesed ju valmistuvad nii põhjalikult ette, mis on need asjad, mille pärast sa võid läbi kukkuda, on kui tekib mingi tulekahju või mingisugune muu tõsisem asi, aga seda ei juhtu, sest inimesed näevad vaevu. Is there anything which actually right away will make you as a judge understand that this person has been working so hard? Any special trick?
Any special trick? That would be throw and catch. It's like the first trick when you see people have really trained. And then in total of the show, it has to be the combination of the music, the movements, and the smells. If they are combined together in a good harmony, you know this person has trained hard. Yeah.
Küsisin, mis on see märge, et ta saab aru, et tegemist on ühe tõsiselt võetava saunameistriga. Ta ütleb, et need käterätiku loopimised ja püüdmis on üks asi, mida see näitab kohe, et inimene on teinud palju tööd, aga ka loomulikult kogu see kombineeritus, ehk siis muusika, aroomid ja trikid kokku, et inimene on läbi mõelnud selle loo. Kes ei tea, millest ma üldse räägin, siis tegemist on saunas toimuvate etendustega, mis tavaliselt on 10–15 minutit pikad ja seda lihtsal põhjusel, et vaid 90 minutises saunas tohib inimene olla tegelikult ainult 10–15 minutit ja sellel ajal peab juhtuma midagi, mis paneb kõik su meeled elama. So, overall, now few shows are left. Do you already have an understanding who can win?
No. We don't.
Oh, okay.
Anything can happen.
Anything can
And
happen.
it's so funny because it's not many points that are from the highest and the lowest. We're talking very few points that divide the competitors, and that's what's fun. That makes it fun. It makes it a good competition.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ta ütleb, et siin on väga tasavägine võistlus, kuna tegelikult isegi tema ei tea täna, kes on meil kõige parem, kuna punktisüsteem hakkab siin mängima väikeste punktidega. Väga suuri hüppeid enam ei tule. Mõned etendused on veel jäänud, aga selles mõttes see teebki selle Aufgussi fun ehk siis lõbusaks, et viimasel hetkel selgub see, kellele läheb võitja, kes läheb Eestit esindama siis Itaaliasse. So overall, Estonians are sauna people. What about the show people? You've been seeing the crowd. How is the crowd here?
It's very good. We've been a few and we've been many in the sauna and everyone's happy. They're clapping, they're enjoying the time. And this is very good for it being the second year around. So I think Estonia can be a good Aufguss country. Yeah. Really.
Ja ta ütleb, et ka seltskond, kes seda kaasa on tulnud elama, on tegelikult väga tore, nad plaksutavad, nad elavad kaasa ja ta usub, et meie Eestis saab Aufguss üks tore riik ja seda traditsiooni saab siin päris kõvasti jätkata. Thank you so much and good luck and be soft to our people.
I will. Thank you.